Low or varying water pressure is very common in residential buildings. It is also quite inconvenient as it leads to poor showers, trickling taps, and uncomfortable changes in the water temperature. The SCALA2 domestic water booster pump will make this a thing of the past and improve the comfort of homeowners. This video will give you a quick introduction to its most important applications, features, and benefits. The SCALA2 is a fully integrated water booster pump with tank, motor, drive, sensor, and non-return valve in one compact unit. It is designed to handle all boosting needs in residential buildings, including boosting from city mains, boosting from tanks, and boosting from shallow wells. One of the key features of the SCALA2 is its ability to deliver perfect water pressure to all taps, even with multiple taps running at the same time. The key to this is intelligent pump control, which enables SCALA2 to detect any drop in water pressure and adjust operation accordingly. This happens with such speed and precision that the user will never notice any change in pressure. Another important benefit of the SCALA2 is its quiet operation. In typical use, the sound level is approximately 47 decibels, which is the same as a hushed conversation or the hum of a modern dishwasher. The low noise level is possible thanks to water cooling technology and a silent permanent magnet motor, which makes noisy air cooling measures redundant. On top of this, the built-in pressure tank will reduce the number of starts and stops. SCALA2 is designed with easy installation in mind. It is self-priming, weighs only 22 pounds, 10 kilos, and features a compact design which makes installation in tight working spaces possible. To set the desired water pressure, simply use the buttons on the user-friendly control panel. SCALA2 will then automatically adapt to the installation, taking inlet pressure and the number of running taps into account. Once installed, SCALA2 offers years of trouble-free operation. It consists of high-quality components and features a range of protective measures. For instance, dry running protection, which stops the pump if there is no water in the system and restarts it periodically to check if it has returned. In conclusion, let us have a brief overview of the benefits of SCALA2. Homeowners will experience perfect water pressure in all taps, low noise, and trouble-free operation. And you, as an installer, will experience easy installation, easy setup, and, of course, happy and satisfied customers.